In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to your Eventbrite event. Tags are a simple but powerful way to help people discover your event through search and recommendations. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the tag section and how to add the right terms to boost visibility. First, open your web browser and head to the Eventbrite website. Sign in to the organizer account you use to manage your events. It's easiest to follow along on a desktop browser since the layout is roomier, but the steps are the same in principle on mobile. Once you're signed in, go to your organizer dashboard where your events are listed. If you don't land there automatically, look for your profile or organizer menu and select your events dashboard to view your existing listings. Next, go to your event. Click the event you want to update to open its management page. From here, look for the three dots menu, usually near the top right of the event controls. Click that menu and choose Edit. This will open the event editor where you can adjust your details. Inside the editor, navigate to the Publish section. Depending on the interface version you see, Publish may appear as a tab across the top or as an option in the left-hand sidebar. Open Publish and you'll find the Tags section. This is the spot where you can add keywords that describe your event's topic, audience, format, or location. Now simply add your tags. Think like your ideal attendee. What would they type to find an event like yours? Keep tags concise and specific. Instead of broad terms, aim for clear descriptors such as the subject matter, experience type, or city. Avoid repeating the same idea in different forms and prioritize relevance over quantity. You can add multiple tags, and you can remove or refine them later if you want to adjust your targeting. Eventbrite typically saves changes in this area, but if you see a Save or Update button, click it to make sure your edits are applied. And you're done. To confirm, take a quick look in the Publish section and make sure the tags you added appear as expected. These tags will now be associated with your event and can help it show up for the right people browsing or searching on Eventbrite. You can return to the same place anytime to tweak your tags as your details evolve or as you learn which terms perform best. That's all it takes to add tags on Eventbrite. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.